Good morning. Please also get for me. Good morning.
Together.
Guys, they gave me watermelon juice.
She cried. She cried. She threw a tantrum.
Why?
For the watermelon. Isn't it?
Yeah, they didn't want to give me watermelon juice, so I spoke to the manager.
She cried.
And she got me watermelon juice. Guys, do you remember when I went to Zuhai? I used to drink watermelon juice for my life. Literally every single day, watermelon juice.
Oh, not to tell them that you cried and you threw a tantrum.
I asked nicely. I didn't throw a
You're
tantrum.
fighting.
And guys, look at this fruit.
What fruit is that?
Star fruit. Shaped like a star? Isn't it cute? Let me taste it.
And then where's Queenie? Is she the one cooking now?
You know, it tastes like a very watered down passion fruit / apple together. It's weird.
I thought you were cooking now.
What did you get us, madam?
No hash browns. I got you this.
Oh, rubbish. I wanted hash browns. Maybe they're gonna make them later.
I think also upstairs there's lobby, a boutique and whatever. So a lot of rooms are downstairs.
Guys, you know when I'm wearing this wig that I mean business, please. You just know. I wore this wig because it's the cheapest wig I have. Sophia and her hair dryer. It's the cheapest wig I have. And it's the shortest wig I have. And I know we are going to go do some water sports. So that is why I am wearing this wig. So that if we do some water sports and I lose this wig in the process, I won't be too mad because it's the cheapest wig that I have. So let me show you an outfit of the day. So I'm just wearing a t-shirt and shorts. And I'm going to wear sandals. And I'm just wearing a flannel because I feel like at night it can be a little cool. Not cold, a little cool. This is Sophia's room. Sophia and I are neighbors. I live right next door.
What?
I'm telling them that we are neighbors. I live next door.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I live next door. So let me show you Sophia's view. But we have the same view, Avi, because I'm right next door. This is the view. Imagine waking up to this every morning from your house. Yeah! And these flowers are flowering. This is my favorite part, honestly. These flowers are so pretty. So this is where we had our breakfast. So since I live here, we just jumped over this. We just jumped over, then we walked. We walked all the way and entered here. Then we had our breakfast. And during breakfast, my phone died, so I couldn't vlog. I was a little upset, but yeah, we moved. The breakfast was so good. I had an omelette. It was a mushroom, cheese, and red pepper omelette. Then I had some pancakes, not a lot, just like a few. And I also had some watermelon juice, and I also had a lot of fruits like watermelon, dragon fruit, and also star fruit. I'm hoping to vlog like the breakfast experience tomorrow because we just wanted to see first, like, how is the breakfast? Is it good? Because like some hotels don't get the breakfast the way like I want it, but since now I know like it's things that I eat myself at home, then yeah, I will definitely be going to breakfast every day, like I know. So I'll show you the breakfast in next week's vlog because I'm hoping to vlog every single day. I need to make use of this weekend and vlog as much as I can because when I go back to Wuhan, I'm not going to be motivated to do anything anymore. And I'm still coughing, by the way. Like, I'm still coughing, but I don't have COVID. I did a COVID test.
Have COVID.
I don't have COVID. I did a COVID test. I don't have COVID, but I'm still coughing. But they did say that it's going to take time to heal. Because I also feel like I can't do water sports, Sophie. Like, I can't.
You can.
I'll keep coughing.
It's okay. I'm also coughing.
Ah! Like whenever my heart does this, I just feel like umhlabo uyaphela. Like my heart is just fragile. I want to be gentle to my heart.
Okay.
Guys, this lady is making me buy Crocs.
449.
She's making me buy Crocs. Look at them. Oh, they're not the cutest thing you've ever seen. I want Crocs. I want Crocs, guys. I want Crocs. Hey, it's Crocs. Crocs are expensive. Now she won't buy because she doesn't want to spend money.
I don't want to spend money on that because I also want to go on a jet ski. I want to
You
go
can
on
do
things like-
everything. What size?
But then it's winter. I won't wear them.
Oh, we in Sanya.
Yeah,
You will
but
buy.
for a few days.
This one is nice. My bigger size. See? This one is more comfortable, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm also thinking about getting some.
Sure. Guys, I bought the Crocs. And now I am going to my room to put away the shoes that I was wearing before because I do not want to walk with multiple pairs of shoes. I can't believe I bought Crocs. Please look at this person doing bungee jumping. Yo. Look at them. Who died? I just started hearing them screaming and I'm thinking, what's cooking oil? Not Sophia. Queenie, it's okay. It's okay, Queenie. Don't be like overwhelmed. Don't ruin it for you. Like, it's okay. Maybe we should come back tomorrow. We can come back and do what you wanted to do tomorrow. It's okay. We still have time. We can come back tomorrow.
Queenie, you got another one.
Or maybe we can go on the helicopter ride. What do you think?
No. I'm not wearing the feet for the helicopter. Everything is for no fit.
One thing about Queenie, she has planned fits. Like proper outfits. Right? That's true. Oh my god, guys. Wow. I can't believe it. Go, Queenie. You guys, Queenie is going. Guys, I just have to say that I once had a manager that told me not to come to this place because it's overrated.
And then boom,
like bro, where is it overrated?
It's not.
You can do so many water activities.
Queenie's not coming back. Shit.
You can do so many water activities. There's a photographer right here selling pictures.
Do you feel it in your feet?
Yeah, it is cold. Like, where is the overrated? Like, overrated. And plus, Wuhan is freezing cold right now. It's probably snowing. And we out here. Yeah, and we out here in the sun. Having, even your COVID is gone. Even your COVID is gone. Like, the sun is just amazing. Amazing. And then after he told me, after he told me not to come here because it's overrated, did the man not come here?
He came here with his girlfriend.
A year later, after telling me it's overrated.
Lying.
How? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Woo, Queenie! Woo! Queenie! Go, girl! Guys, I paid this to see inside here, but I'm not seeing anything amazing in here. What is it? Apparently there are some fish. Oh, let me look here. There are some fish in the water. Can I see any? I can't see any here, but I can see them here. Where is it, Sophie? Can you see?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yes, they're beautiful.
Wow, oh my gosh. Yes, I can see. Wow. The fishes are fishing. Now imagine if you're scuba diving in here. How nice that would be. Do the handstand, Sophie. Let me see. Go. Go, Sophie, go. A handstand, go. Sophia said she can't do a handstand. I don't believe her. Go, go, go. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, Queenie's doing the handstand. Sophia did it. That was so random, Sophie. Sophia, what made you even think of that out of nowhere? You know what, guys? My whole life, she's so dramatic. You know what, guys? My whole life, there's just one thing I've never been able to do. Nothing. You didn't even call it a handstand. Nothing that people do when they do this. And she's talking about a handstand. This girl, she's so dramatic.
When my vocabulary goes, like, it's 3 o'clock, my vocabulary is empty.
Yeah, school's over. School ends at 2.
I'm going on that boat ride. I hope I don't lose my hat. Am I going to regret taking my hat?
I don't think so. If they can allow you, he's wearing a cap. He has a cap, so I'm sure it's fine. Quickly, the water is coming. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. It's not starting. Why? What? No ways. I don't want the water. It's cold. What the fuck? Oh, look. Oh, no. I wouldn't want this. Sure. That looks dangerous. They're coming. It looks like Sophie's holding for on dear life. This time her wig didn't come off. The last time the wig was like, I'm not having this. Oh, baby. Unati! Unati! How was it? You did it, I see.
What's Queenie doing? What is she doing? Queenie, what are you doing? How are you gonna get there? They're gonna take her with the jet ski to go parasailing. There's Queenie Malaya. Wow, Queenie, she's fighting with them. Queenie is fighting. Here. Oh. There she goes. Woo! Queenie, Queenie, Queenie. So we got this photographer and he's being so cute. Like he's being so cute. Like telling us how to pose, giving us sunglasses, giving us hats. He has a bag where you can put your stuff in. He's telling her her hair is in her face. Like this man is so cute. Some men are just so cute. He just fixed Sophia's t-shirt. This man, oh my God, he's so cute. He's like, no, put a hat on, use the hat. Queenie, my love, setting herself up with her photo shoot with this amazing, amazing man. Hey, one thing about Queenie, she will come ready. Wow, stomach in, chest out. Hey guys, I am back home after a very, very long day of being outside. We took so many pictures. So many pictures. I'm gonna insert some of them here. And also, I went to a convenience store and I bought water because I want to make sure I drink a lot of water, especially in the morning before I leave the house. And I went to the same store. I bought these chippies. If you know me, you know I like chippies. These Lays. And these ones. So that one is like barbecue flavor. This one is cheese flavor. And but these chips are all broken. They sound broken. And these chips. And wow, I am so beat. One thing about playing in water, it will leave you so tired. So anyway, if you made it this far, please leave a sunflower emoji down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, babes, you're amazing. Okay, love you. Bye.